Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to stream with sound on Discord and fix screen share audio not working. So let's get started. So if you want to do that, what you can do is just open up your Discord application. After opening up your Discord application, you just have to head over to a channel and start being in a call. So just tap on a voice channel and start being in a call. So after doing that, now what you can do is just tap on your screen share option, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen, or you can also find that option in the bottom of your screen. So you just have to tap on it, and after tapping on that option, now inside your applications, what you have to do is select a window that you would like to share. So you have to select the option that you would like to share. After selecting the option, what you can do is just tap on go live and then start sharing or start streaming in Discord. So you should not select this option which says screens. So by selecting screens, what you will do is you will not allow your audio output. So by screens will not allow audio output in your stream, and that will cancel your audio. So you should not select that option. Just select this first one which says applications and select the application that you would like to stream. So if you're already sharing a screen and you're still facing that problem, now what you can do is just tap on this settings or this gear icon which is on the bottom left corner of your screen, and by tapping on that icon, now what you can do is just scroll down, and inside your app settings you can find voice and video. Just tap on voice and video and just scroll all the way down, and after scrolling all the way down, inside your screen share you can find this option which says use an experimental method to capture audio from applications. So if that option is turned off, what you can do is just turn it on. So if that option is turned on, what you can do is just turn it off, and after turning it off, now you should check if your audio is working. So if it's still not working, what you can do is just keep it turned on. So I would recommend you to keep it turned on before reheating. So I'll recommend you to keep this option turned on before we head to our next step. So always keep that option turned on. So after doing that, you have to check if your screen share audio is working by tapping on share your screen. But it's still not working, what you can do is now you should tap on your gear icon, and after tapping on gear icon, just scroll down, and inside your activity settings you can find registered games. So just tap on register game and then tap on no seen your game, and inside not seen your game you can find added option. So just tap on add it, and now you can add a game that you would like to stream. So for example, I would like to stream my Google Chrome. What you can do is just tap on add games and then start streaming. You can also add any other game that you have inside your PC. So by selecting those games, what you can do is just tap on add a game, and after adding this game, now what you can do is just tap on start streaming, and by doing that you might fix your problem. So after adding a game, what you can do is just tap on share screen which is on the bottom left corner. So after tapping on share stream, now what you can do is select the game that you have just added. So the game that you have added, you can find the window that the game that you have just added, you just have to select it, and after selecting that, what you can do is just tap on go live. So after tapping go live, what you will do is you will start being live in your Discord, and you have to check if your audio is working, and that will fix your audio. So that's it guys, this is how to stream with sound on Discord and fix screen share audio not working. So that's it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.